Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Barka Zarif and this channel is all about beauty, makeup, skincare and much more. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you guys my morning skincare routine, my evening skincare routine and also my nighttime skincare routine. Now over the period of time, I have realized that skincare is very important. No matter what your age is, you need to have some kind of skincare routine that you could religiously follow. Now trust me, past में मैंने भी skincare को इतना seriously नहीं लिया था, but now I have started to do my skincare regularly without any fail. Even if I'm doing makeup or not, I make it a point that I do my skincare on time. Now for my skincare routine, it's very minimal and it's very easy. I do not like to layer up a lot of products at the same time. Now the products that I'm going to show is what suits me and my skin type, and you can definitely go ahead and replace any of these products with your existing products and you are good to go. And I would highly urge you guys to start taking care of your skin and start following some kind of skincare routine. Maybe you can start with just cleansing, toning and moisturizing every day. Even that would make a lot of difference in your skin. Also, some products that I'm going to show you are suitable for most skin types. So if you are interested, I will link them all in the description box below. You can go ahead and check that out as well. Without making this intro any more longer, let's begin with this video. Okay, so it's been like an hour. I woke up and जैसे ही मैं उठती हूँ, I just brush my teeth and wash my face with plain water. That time I do not use any kind of face wash or cleanser. But now I'm going to use a cleanser. So the one that I'm going to use is by Sebamed Clear Face Cleansing Foam. So there are a few products that I've already shown to you guys in my skincare recommendations video, and also there are a lot of new products that I've included in my skincare routine which I'm gonna share in the further video. Now this one is a foaming cleanser and it cleans my skin very deeply. It helps to remove bacteria from skin's surface and also helps in maintaining pH balance of your skin. Okay, so my face is nice and clean now and it's a little damp, so I'm quickly gonna move on to the next step, which is, now this one is from the brand called Pilgrim. It's the White Lotus Natural Face Mist and Toner. Now this one provides instant hydration and helps to tighten open pores. Now Pilgrim is a Korean based beauty brand and they had sent me this as a PR, but I'm genuinely loving this product and I'm planning to get more products from this brand. Now for my next step, I will use a moisturizer. No matter what your skin type is, you need to moisturize your face. If your skin type is really oily, go for a lightweight moisturizer, and if your skin is very dry, go for a good heavy moisturizer. The one that I'm going to use is from the brand Simple. Now Simple is a brand which curates products especially for sensitive skin. Now sensitive skin does not only includes acne prone skin, but it also includes very dry, or if you have itchy skin, that is also a kind of sensitive skin. Now this one is a non-sticky and a non-greasy formula. Also this one has some amount of sun protection and there are no added color, perfume or harsh chemicals. And as you can see, it got absorbed into my skin very quickly. And for the next step, I'm going to use this under eye cream. This one is the Mamaearth under eye cream with cucumber and coffee. Now I totally do not agree with the fact that an under eye cream can reduce your dark circles, but I use this under eye cream for an extra layer of moisturizer under my eyes. I like to take a pea-sized amount of this cream and apply it under my eyes. Now this one somehow helps to reduce the under eye puffiness, which is a good thing. For the very last step right now, I'm going to moisturize my lips using Vaseline. Now I will be doing my makeup right now, so this is also going to work as a skin prep before makeup for me. Okay, so I'm done with my morning skincare routine. Now I'm going to go and do my makeup and other stuff, and I'll see you in the evening. Okay, hi, I am back and it's around 5:30 in the evening and I'm about to remove this makeup off. And also please ignore this weird eyeliner situation going on because I have just removed my lashes. And if you are interested to know how I have achieved this makeup look, you can head over to my Instagram. I must have probably uploaded the video by now. Okay, so first step is of course going to be cleansing, and for that I'm going to use this Face Shop Rice Water Bright Cleansing Lotion. Also please keep in mind to wash your hands before touching it to your face. You touch a lot of things around you and you don't want that dirt to get transferred on your face. So please make sure to wash your hands before you wash your face or do anything on your face. You just have to rub it on your face and it will start to dissolve your makeup. Now I'm gonna go in with this makeup cleansing sponge. Now this is basically a microfiber cloth which helps to get rid of your makeup really quickly and very easily. Now if you're wondering from where I have got this, I got this from an Instagram store. I'll link it in the description box below, and I think you can also find this one on Amazon. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face with the green tea pore cleansing face wash by Plum. So I'm done washing my face with this face wash. It's like a second step to my makeup removing process. It helps to remove all the excess oil and dirt from your face and leaves it a very squeaky clean. Now for the next step, I'm again going to use this face toner by Pilgrim. And for the last step to my evening skincare routine, I'm going to use this Earth Rhythms Phyto Gel. Firstly, let's appreciate the packaging of this one. It looks so chic, so luxury. This is all glass and it also has a pump dispenser which is so convenient. Now Earth Rhythm is an Indian skincare brand and all the products from Earth Rhythm are uniquely formulated and they are made up of clean and all natural ingredients. Now this one helps to calm down your skin and hydrate it at the same time. Now you must be wondering where are all the face masks and sheet masks and face packs and all that. So I apply a face mask every alternate day. So yesterday I had applied this face mask from Dot & Key, and that's the reason today I'm not masking my face. Otherwise it gets really dry. And if I had to apply a face mask, I'll first remove my makeup and wash my face with this face wash, and then I'll apply the face mask. So again, I'll see you in a bit for my nighttime skincare routine. Okay, we are back and it's currently 9:45 and it's time to do our nighttime skincare routine. So very small disclaimer before going ahead with the routine is that the products that I'm going to use now are chemical based products, and even if you are someone who wants to include some chemicals or acid based products in your skincare routine, go ahead and do your own research before buying any of the products. So I follow two different types of nighttime routine. The first one is the chemical routine which I'm going to show you right now, and the other one is just simple routine. Basically I'll just repeat the steps that I did in the evening skincare routine. I'll put a toner, then I'll use the Phyto Gel, and also I'll do a little bit of spot treatment if I have any acne or any scars that I want to get rid of. And for that, either I'll use my Medimex face cleanser or I will use the Requil Pit Stop Gel. For my chemical routine, I use these two products from Dr. Sheth's, and all the products from Dr. Sheth's are specially meant for Indian skin type. I've been using these products for more than 2 months now and I have seen a very good difference in my skin, and that's the reason I'm showing it to you in this video. So the first product that I'm going to use is Dr. Sheth's Basic Brightening Extra Gentle Daily Peel. I will take 1.5 pump of this product and apply it on my face like I would apply a moisturizer. Now as you apply it, it will give you a little bit of tingling sensation on your face for like 10 seconds and then it's gone. Now this peel will help you to smoothen out your skin and will remove all the dead skin. It also removes blemishes over time. Now as the name says, it's a daily peel, but I do not use it daily. I just use it twice or maximum thrice a week. Now I'll keep it on my skin for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off with just plain water. So I'm back and as you can see, my skin is so glowy right now and it's very soft to touch. So moving on to the last step of this routine, I'm gonna use Dr. Sheth's Gulab and Glycolic Toner. The glycolic acid helps to brighten and exfoliate the skin, and it also takes care of flaky skin and post-acne mark. Just 3 to 4 spray is enough for your face. Now this one does not have like a pleasing gulab smell to it. In fact, both of these products smell a little weird, but that's fine, I guess. Now this toner is supposed to be a dupe for a Pixi Glow Tonic. Now I have not used it personally, so I cannot tell you about that, but you will definitely wake up with such a beautiful glow on your face and your skin will look flawless when you wake up in the morning. Trust me, it works really great. Now again, you do not have to use it daily. You can use it thrice a week, just like I did. And also, whenever you're using these products at night, make sure you load up your face with a lot of sunscreen the next morning. If you're going to buy any of these products, make sure you do a patch test before applying it on your entire face. That is applicable for each and every skincare product. So yeah, that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this one and it was helpful for you guys. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family whom you think this video could be helpful. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. It will mean a lot to me. I know half of my audience who watch my video aren't yet subscribed to my channel, so please do consider hitting that subscribe button and ring that bell icon so that you do not miss on any of my upcoming videos. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.